met you though, she call me Poppy.
Alright, so this is what we have been doing. Sorry for the echo, but we've been trying to put this ourselves. So modding the house, right? So, you know, we got that put on. But as you guys can see, look what the car is doing. This is the car in only several weeks, probably almost a month. But this is how much it has leaked. We're gonna talk about this in a little bit. Just give me a second. We got the hose. And we got our oil catch can in here, which we still haven't installed because we don't know where to put it. Well, because I don't know where to put it. So here we are in the other room, guys. We have several car parts. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Well, there's 2 things in here. So this is all for the car that we have to do, that we have to install. But you guys stay tuned. We have like the paint for the rear calipers or whatever. We got more boxes, guys. Stay tuned. We're gonna do so much to the car, and we got like a whole bunch of other stuff coming that I've ordered, and they're still not here. But stay tuned for that. We're gonna do it real soon. On the GoPro, guys. Remember, I got a GoPro from my sister for Christmas, and I have not used the head mount until now, and looking at it, I think it's gonna be pretty cool. Like, just imagine we were like 6 speed. You guys can see me shift gears, this and that, whatever. But we gotta go. This is why I freaking love it. I can have both hands on the steering wheel and race WRXs in sport mode using my paddle shifters. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, I'm not really a big fan of doing it like here where I'm at, because like there's a lot of traffic, as you guys can see. So but let's jump right into it, guys. So today's video will be a different one. We're gonna like test out the GoPro, see how it is here, and we're gonna do a couple things. Like, we're gonna try to go wash the car because it's like hella dirty. See if I can get you guys some like pops, bangs, backfire, whatever you want to call the pops. So I'm gonna see if I can get you guys some of that with like a mount on top of the exhaust instead of like the inside. You guys just saw we try to like, when I run, I just kind of like floored it, and WRX was behind me flooring it too. So yeah. Can't touch this. But you guys, as you guys saw on the cardboard in the garage, you saw a box or a cardboard with oil on it. Guess what? I don't know if it's the engine, I don't know if it's a tranny. I did change the rear main seal once, but I think the shop didn't do it right, so I think we gotta do it again. So that's going on. Transmission is holding for dear life. It is whining. I mean, I did change the transmission fluid, so it whines less, but it still whines a bit. And then sometimes like it loses power. Like, for example, you know, I'm like, right now I'm stopped and there's an opening right here, and I want to go before a car comes, and I floor it. The car pretty much gives me like 20 horsepower until it gets to about 4,000 RPMs, and then it starts like, oh, and like it like speeds up to like a good 150 horsepower. So it's not that fast. It's kind of dangerous because, like, you know, I'm used to the car having power, and if I try to go and it doesn't go, a car comes, bang, hits me, I lost the car. Before anything, guys, the giveaway rear diffuser It's already on its way. I already ordered it, so I gotta go take it to get it painted, and then as soon as I get it painted, I'm gonna be doing the giveaway. So give me about probably the video after this one, or the next video should be the giveaway video. You guys will know, but it's already coming. I just gotta paint it so I can send it out to one of you lucky person. And then I'm thinking about doing another giveaway, but this is gonna be faster because remember it was a whole house thing. So this is gonna be faster, and I don't know what we're gonna do yet. So I might do like some lights, for example, like the headlights, like mine, if I could find one. Probably give that away. You know, guys, comment down below what you guys think should be like our next giveaway. What, a front lip or something like that? Eventually I want to do like a full big brake Akibono power stop whatever upgrade kit for the car. I want to give that away. Half of this video might be at night, so just bear with me, guys. I'm just trying to keep you guys updated on what's going on. So I've been doing things around the house, and also it's a new house, you know, first time me having a new house, and I'm too comfortable, so it's hard for me to get out, do a video. And I don't have a jack, I don't have tools, nothing like that. Slowly I'm getting tools, and you guys know it's expensive. Ooh, you guys hear those pops? I'm gonna catch you guys in a little bit, and let's go. All right, guys, let's see if I can get you some nice exhaust sounds, some pops or whatever. Hopefully the wind noise is not too much, so let's just put gas here. Alright, gas is hella expensive, so damn, I gotta hold it. That little thing is broken. Let's see how much it takes. Damn, what'd I tell you? 60 bucks. Watch. 60.02. It cannot drip on the paint. It cannot drip on the paint. So I hit it a whole bunch of times, and then click it. Ah, it got on the paint. Click it like 20 times. Make sure nothing's there so no one can take your money. Oh, and then put hand sanitizer. And dry your hands. Dry your hands. All right, cool. Are we ready? Yo, this thing just gave me a heart attack. It said connection lost. I thought my camera fell from the mount that I had on the bumper. Yo, it scared the crap out of me. I'm like, oh well, there goes the camera. But luckily it didn't. It was still there. I guess I don't know what happened. It just lost the connection, but and then it wouldn't connect again. But I got scared. I think that's enough for now. So I hope you guys enjoyed the little footage of the exhaust and like all the pops. Hopefully I got it. You know, hopefully I got good pops and stuff like that. But honestly, I just hope you guys enjoy it. I'm just trying to show you like a little bit of everything and just test out how the camera does at night. My favorite part. It's like the little under bridges. All right, so we're here at the car wash. I think we're good. So it is hella dirty. Let's see how this works, and then let's throw some water on the car, honestly. The car's semi-clean, but it's looking beautiful, man. I just can't wait until I get what I want to do with this car done. You guys seen all those boxes, so I just can't wait. It's gonna be awesome. The car will be running good, and yeah, it's just like these little things that I gotta put on. I'm gonna catch you guys later. We should be opening those boxes soon, and you guys will see what it is. I'm super excited, guys. Hit that thumbs up button, like, subscribe, share, follow me on Instagram at RealGMaxine. Everything you want to do. We got so much things coming for this car. Is gonna be so great. But I'm gonna catch you guys later. I'm gonna just leave it right here. The video is probably way too long anyway. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you later. Peace.